Okay, so we made a shake made out of Dr. Pepper, chocolate, barbecue sauce, tomatoes, animal crackers, and Twix. Is that it? Sounds about right.
You said tomato?
Yeah. You know what would really make this? Bacon.
No. I don't eat bacon.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, I thought you used to like bacon.
I don't like bacon.
Okay. So we're gonna take a sip and we'll tell you what we think about it.
Bubble needs to pop. Right?
Alright, let's go.
I'm not excited about it. You go first.
Oh, the smell. Oh.
I don't want to do it.
The first part is okay, but then you get chunks of tomato.
Oh.
And then the tomato taste comes and oh, I don't like tomatoes. She's gonna drink more.
It didn't taste bad.
It didn't? Did you not get chunks of tomatoes?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You're a smart one. You never go back for the second taste. Okay.
I was just curious.
Oh, it's still there.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna go brush our teeth and get some water. What?
It's like a chocolate tomato.
Chocolate covered tomato with barbecue sauce.
Yeah, I don't taste barbecue sauce.
I do indeed.
Alright.
Okay. Well, see you guys later. Bye.